I'm like so gutted for Johnny Depp right now because not only he was a fantastic actor, but based on the allegations that that Heard put on him about being violent in their relationship, it's so upsetting because he has proof, he has evidence, he has all those, you know, everything you need to know that somebody is being abused in a relationship, that and the audio tapes are there, the text messages are there, pictures are there, medical reports are there, everything is there. And just because of a wonky court decision, you've sort of, I mean, we've turned him into no, actually not we, but some people who have done that to him. Warner Brothers has pushed him out of Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, and he was amazing at Grindelwald. But let's just keep that aside for a moment. Let's just think about what allegations mean. Does allegation mean that you're going to believe the person regardless? Like, if what if that person is not telling the truth? That happens, right? Like, it's not completely unheard of, and it's not something that has never happened. That happens. People lie, people cheat, people use causes, people use their social activism for so much negativity to bring into other people's lives, and that is also a truth. So not all cases are like that, but some cases are like that. And when those cases are there, and when these things happen, they're so heartbreaking. And Johnny Depp's case is one of those cases where something like this has happened. And it's unfortunate how mainstream media or all these social activists, and I mean, false accusations, if not more, but deserve so much coverage, and they deserve so much highlighting, because look at these people, look at what they are doing. They are doing something which is so criminal, and these criminal people should not, must not get away with what they've done to other people's lives. I mean, I'm just heartbroken. I'm gutted. I'm absolutely and completely gutted at what has happened with Depp. It's just a travesty because everybody's heard the tapes. She's admitted to hitting him. She's admitted to starting physical fights. And then the text messages, and one of the text messages that I read about from Depp was to Heard's mother, where he's saying that he's just done, and it was such a disturbing message. And all these documents are there, everything is there online, but we still want to wave the social justice warrior flag. And it's good to wave that flag. It's really good that we want to use our social media for causes, but we are actually doing something wrong here. Something is wrong here, where somebody like Johnny Depp, who was the victim in his relationship, basically was portrayed as the aggressor, and then he lost all his work, and he lost all his, I mean, it's just but his point is true, that this moment in time doesn't define him, and it doesn't define him for sure, because there's a reason why there's so much outpour of support for him, because people see him more than that, and they see the truth for what it is. And that's really heartening, that despite all the crap, there is still so much there is still so much good in the world. There are still people who believe the truth, and the truth is something that you can't hide, and it's something that cannot be hidden. No matter what the machinations, it can be hidden for some time, it can be hidden for a short while, but not always. And Johnny Depp's truth is for everyone to see, and based on whatever's happened with Warner Brothers and the Son, it doesn't matter. People know the truth. It's on tape, it's recorded, it's online, it's on social media, it's everywhere. So, whatever the truth is, it's not even about a cause, but whatever the truth is, that is above everything else. And that is with Johnny Depp.